My name is Sathish. In this video I will explaining about my one of the project. It is Bluetooth based remote control car, and in this video useful for students easily identifying the how UART protocol is working, and some places we cannot access the internet, and that places in this Bluetooth module is helpful. That's why I am starting this project. Next I will explaining about what kinds of components using in this project. First, this is wheels and using for motors. It is DC normal motors and motors supporting chases and some screws and bolts, and this is chase of supporting beams. And next, this is HC-05 Bluetooth module. In this project, in these four motors driving helpful for L298N, and finally the important one, Arduino UNO microcontroller board. And next, seeing our assembling video. Thanks for being watching in this video. I hope I will making in this video interestingly. Further you are facing any struggle in this video, please comment below. It is useful for further our video making. And in this video how to assemble this car, it is useful. Further next video how to write a code and how to upload it and how to working in this project. And entirely I will explaining in my next video, because in this video duration is increasing. That's why I will making it a next video. If you want to complete video, that is also in my further future videos I will upload it. In this entire project, documents, codes, I will upload it in my blog. At completed at final video uploading time, I will give the link in that videos below. Until then, this is Sathish signing off. Bye bye.